guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are solving coding practice 3 in Java in NXTWAVE program. Here we have a question that write a program to take two integer inputs, say a and b, and print the result of the following operations: addition, subtraction and multiplication. So we have the problem like we have to do addition, subtraction and multiplication. So the input we will get as a and b of two integer values. The output should be, first line will contain addition, second line will contain the result of subtraction, third line will be the result of multiplication of both a and b. Okay, to start this program we have to scan two integer values. So whenever we want to scan the input values, we have to import the scanner class from the java.util package. So first of all we will import that package like import java.util.star. We have to write star, or we can write also scanner, that's not a problem. Then we have to write a main class name, class main. Then we will have to write like public static void main, ring string args. These are the common thing all we have to do for scanning the class. Then we have to use the scanner class like writing SS capital CNNS scanner. I will take a variable like SC is equal to new scanner SY system dot in, semicolons must be there. Then we have to now we are taking integer a as an input, so we have to write int a equal to sc dot next int. Here we are writing next int because we are taking an integer value, so we have to write next int of semicolon. Then we have to take b input b, that's all the same. Int b equal to sc dot next int of. So we took the inputs of a and b. Now we have to do this following operations. First of all we have to give the output as addition, so we are taking the addition operator. Now we have to take an addition operator, we have to take another integer variable. So I am taking integer addition equal to a plus b, that's it. Then we have to do subtraction, right? No, int subtraction. I am writing sub as subtraction. Subtraction we will know a minus b. Then we have to write in multiplication. So I am taking here int multi equal to a into b. So we have to give an output like STEM system dot out dot println. First we have to give the output as addition, right? So we have to write addition then copy, paste, then subtraction sub, then multiplication multi. Everything is right, we have to run the program. Shit, man. Sorry, we are mult. Yes, we got the desired output as addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Then we have to submit the code. This coding question is over. Thank you. Next go, we have to take the next coding practice question, area of rectangle. Here, let's read the question and understand what is the question and what we have to give the output as. Write a program to calculate the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length of rectangle and breadth of rectangle. Okay. Input the first line of the input contains the length of the rectangle, which is integer. The second line of input contains the breadth of the rectangle, which is an integer. And rectangle area. Okay. First of all, we need to understand the question and what we have to return the output, desired output. Now we have to plan how can we write this. First of all, the main plan is they will provide a input, two integer inputs. We have to scan that. For scanning that inputs, we have to import the package import java dot star, then main class main public static void main strn string args. Then we have to take a scanner, scanner sc equal to new scanner, so stem system dot in. Then we have to take the integer int first. Here with that they are saying that first line of input contains the length of the rectangle, so we are taking len as the length equal to sc dot next int of, then int breadth bre as a integer variable equal to sc dot next int of. We got two length and breadths. Now we have to perform a arithmetic operation of multiplying both the input values. So we'll take int area equal to length star bre breadth. Now we have to give output, print the output. So we will type capital SYSTEM system dot out dot println of area area. Let's go to the output session. Yes, Now as you see, we have the desired output as a area of the rectangle by multiplying both the values. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So this question has been completed successfully. We have to submit the question answer. We solved 2 programs, and now we have to move to the third program, perimeter of rectangle. That is, first of all, we have to, as usually, read the question and understand what's the input and what should be the output. So let's read the question. Write a program to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into length of rectangle plus breadth of rectangle. The first line of input contains the length of rectangle, which is integer. The second line of input contains. So we have to print the output as a perimeter of rectangle. Its formula is 2 into L plus B. So here also we have to take two integer values. So for taking the input values, we should import the class java.util class. So import java.util.star class main public static void main string arches. Here we have to take the integer values. So first of all, we have to scan the inputs. scanner scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in scanner system dot in. Then we have to scan the integer values. So I'm taking integer variable int of what is that? Int of first we have to do length len equal to sc dot next int of function. Then second line is the breadth len breadth is equal to sc dot next int function. Now we have to do the perimeter of a rectangle formula, that is 2 into L plus B. So we are taking an integer value int perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B length plus breadth. Now I have to provide an output like system system dot out dot println. We can write print of also println will gives, it's the normal practice. I have to write perimeter. So then we can run the code. Oh shit, it is showing that third system here we mistakenly printed a small I instead of capital I. That's why error came. Hence we got the desired output as a perimeter of the rectangle. Then we can submit the code. Now we will get into the kilometer to meters. Here let's read the question. Write a program to take the number of kilometers as an input and convert into meters and print the number of meters. Note 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay. So if they gave input as 3 kilometers, we have to multiply 3 into 1000. Okay. That then we will get the desired output. So first of all, for taking an integer input, we have to take import the class import java.util package, then class main, then public static void main. Then we have to scan the input, so that we have to use scanner class scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in semicolon, then integer value, first taking the kilometers as input, so we are taking int variable int kilometer is equal to sc dot next int of, then we have to take another integer value int meters equal to meters is equal to kilometers into 1000. Okay, kilometer star 1000, then we have to give the output. We'll have a decimal part also beside, so we have to take double. Don't know what will be happen. System dot println meters expected column. So now we have another question, that is kilometers to meters. Write a program to take the number of kilometers as an input and convert it into meters and print the number of meters. Here we got the one clue, that is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. That's fine. So here we should understand that they will provide the kilometer value, and we have to convert the kilometer value into a meters value, so that we have to multiply the kilometer into 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, so that we have to multiply that. And the first line of input contains the kilometers, and it is a decimal value, so we have to take the input like a double or float type value, and the first line of the output contains a number of meters we should convert. the output should be an integer. So we have to convert the decimal part into the integer value. So that first of all we have to scan that input value. So that we have to import java.util.star package from the Java. Then we have to write class main function and public static void main string args. Then we have to write that scanner class, scanner s equal to new scanner system.stub.in, then semicolon. First of all we have to scan in a double value, so that double double variable we should take double kilometer equal to sc dot next double of. Remember one thing, we have to write next after capital D to double. Okay, now we scanned the double value. Now we have to remove the decimal part and the dot part we have to remove. So that we have to take another double value, double. We can write a variable name as km equal to, not km, we have to write kilometer without decimal value, without decimal part. I'm taking this variable to understand clearly. So that we have to remove the decimal value, so that we have to multiply the here after decimal point it is at tens place. So if it is 20s 30s, then we have to multiply with 20 or 30, but it is in tens place, so that we can multiply it with 10. So that kilometer into 10. Now let's check if we are going right way or wrong way. So by printing the output dot println that we have to print this copy and paste it here. We have to do a semicolon. Let's check if the decimal value is removed or not. Yes, the decimal part is removed. Now we have to do that we have to convert kilometer without decimal part into an integer value. So that we are taking that int variable, int, what we have to take, meters, int meter is equal to, we have copied that, right? Then we have to copy it here, and we can write modulus operation by 10. By doing modulus operation by 10, we can remove, no, sorry, to remove this decimal part we have to do type conversion. That is we have to convert a double value into integer value, so that we have to do this. The syntax is the same. We have to write integer int in brackets, then it is followed by the variable name of double, that is this. Now let's check it once. It is converted or not. Let's check meter. Here decimal part is removed, so we are going right way. Then we have to, but problem is not yet over. Now we have 12. We have removed the decimal value. Now the desired output is 1200. So that we have to multiply this 12 into 100. So then we can get the this desired output. So that we have to multiply meters into 100. Let's check it once. Here we got the desired output and the program is successfully done. You can check and submit the code. Yes, all test cases are passed and your program is done. Thank you. Now let's get into the question, that is length of the string. We have to calculate the length of the string, that is write a program to read a single line of input and print the number of characters in the input. Spaces are also the characters they are given, so that we have to calculate the, for example, in software 8 letters are there, so that the length of the string will be 8. So that you already know how to scan the input, that is import java dot util dot star class main, then public static void main string args. Then we have to scan scan and scan, sorry, it should be capital here. Scanner sc variable equal to new scanner size system.in function that scans the input, and we have to take a string as an input, so strn string word 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 equal to sc dot next. What will be come here to scan the string? It should not be next capital string, it should be next line line. It will next line of will be take a string as an input, put throughout the string with the spaces also, so that we got the string as an input. Now we have to calculate the length. So here 8 is there, so length should be in the variable of integer value, so we are taking int as a length, int variable as length, take length variable equal to, for finding the length of the string in Java we have the syntax like name dot length of function. Let's take here we given the string name as word, so that word dot length 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 of function. This function will give us the length of the string value. Now we'll find print the length system dot out dot print ln of length. Let's see the what output we will get. So we got the desired output, that is length of the string. Then we can submit this program. We got the program successful. First we have to read the question properly. write a program to read a single line of input and print the first 3 characters in it. So we have question that they will give a word for us, and we have to write only first 3 characters of that word should be printed. See, like FOUR, the first 3 characters are 1, 2, 3, FOU. Strawberry, we have STR. So that here I wrote the code for scanning. These are common codes. Let's scan the input, string input. Let's first of all we have this scan here scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in now string word equal to sc dot next line of function. Then we have to take the first 3 characters. So we are using a substring method, so that string first 3 letters first underscore 3 underscore letters as a variable, and then we will get for taking the first 3 character first part of the string, we will use substring function. That is, the syntax of substring method is name dot substring of. So here we given the string name as word, so that the name is word, word dot substring 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 of. We have to give the start index and ending index. Here the start index is for starting letters, right? Then we have the start index as 0, because here index starts from 0 to length of the string, so that here 0, 1, 2. So we have to take the end index as 0, 1, 2. Here 2 is the u, but if we write 2 here, we don't get a u from the word. We have to take first 3 characters, but then we will get to first 2 only, so that we have to plus 1, so that 0, 1, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So we have to write 3 here. Now we have to print it stm system dot out dot println of. We have to write this one, copy and paste here. Then let's see the output. It is taking much time here, but hence we get the desired output like here, right? If we write 2 here, then you can see this, see the output. See, FO, U should be eliminated. So we are writing plus 1 here. Have you understand the program? Yes. Whenever the question asks us to write the part of the string, we can use only substring method. In Python we can use the characters, we can separate with the characters and adding char of at index 0 like that, but in Java the system is works on the substring method. Now we can submit the code. All test cases are passed.